This is the FunnelXpress dashboard. There are some quick steps that you can see here. The total funnels built, total views and subscribers, and as well as the total number of done for you funnels. In FunnelXpress, you get access to over 60 done for you funnels in 10 different niches, and all of the funnels can be accessed from the dashboard. Before I get started creating a funnel live in this demo, let me show you more. Below the categories, you will see all your campaigns, including the statistics, and each funnel, or we call it campaign, can be easily edited from here. This is good if you want to edit and improve your funnels even after they go live. FunnelXpress is more than just done for you funnels. You get the complete package with done for you emails and done for you banners. The done for you emails are fully customizable, and the done for you banners are in 10 different sizes, so you can use them on any advertising or blogging platforms. So now let's get started creating a funnel by clicking on any of these categories. So I'm going to go with affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, these are the funnels that are available for you to create right away. You can always preview the squeeze page, and you can preview the thank you page before you start creating a funnel. So let me choose one of these. Let's go with this, making money with affiliate marketing, the modern template. Before I start creating this, I can just click on this to preview the funnel. This is a squeeze page for the funnel. As you can see, it's beautiful squeeze page, very modern looking, and this is the opt-in form. So let's start with this by clicking on create funnel. So there are 4 simple steps for you to launch your funnel. First step is to fill up the details. Second step is to set up the squeeze page. Third step is to set up the thank you page, and the fourth step is to save and share your funnel across multiple social media networks. So let's start the first one here by creating a name. Click on next step. Here on the squeeze page setup, you can see a live preview, and you can set up your squeeze page here, and all the setup here is going to be reflecting live on this live preview. Let's set up a squeeze page URL. So rashwindemo.funnelexpress.co is valid and is available. I can use that. And for the form, I can choose if I want to collect email and names, or I just want to collect emails only. And I can save this to my autoresponder. And if I don't have an autoresponder connected to FunnelXpress, I can always switch this off, and all my subscribers are going to be listed under the subscribers menu. For this example, I'm going to save all my subscribers here, but you can always save your subscribers directly to any of the autoresponders that we have in FunnelXpress. In advanced settings, we allow you to change the headline, sub-headline, as well as the images and videos on the squeeze page so that you can make your funnel look more unique. And also you have custom codes where you can add in your Facebook pixels, Google pixels, analytic pixels, or any kind of pixels or codes on the header of the page, body of the page, and the footer of the page. You can use this to track all your visitors, and you can do remarketing and get more conversions from a funnel. And you can do that by just adding codes on the header, body, or footer code, and these codes are going to be inserted into your squeeze page. Let's continue next step. Over the thank you page, the thank you page URL is set, so you don't have to do any changes on this, and we allow you to monetize your thank you page by recommending products that we have selected specially for you. These are the highest converting products. All those products are available under all products. You just need to apply for your affiliate link, and you can start selecting the products that you want to include in your thank you page, so that if anybody comes to your squeeze page, they subscribe and they will come to the thank you page where they can download the access, and at the same time you can recommend products that are related to the same topic and get commissions every time somebody purchases the products from your affiliate link. So I'm going to add 2 products here. As you can see, they are reflected here. So first product is Clips Reel, and second product is Done For You Profits. So these are the products that I'm recommending on the thank you page, and if anybody comes and subscribe to the page, comes to the thank you page and feels like they want to purchase this product, and they click on the see more, so this is going to have the affiliate link, and you're going to be credited for each sale. So at the same time, you can also upload a picture and add a quick bio about yourself to build relationship with your subscribers, and also for your self branding. So I'm going to quickly do this and get back to you. So I've added a picture of myself and also a quick bio. Hey, it's me, Rashwin. Thanks for signing up, and I wish you all the best for the new year. let's crush it. So this is how it looks like. You can click on next tab and just review your funnel and details and click on submit. And congratulations, the new funnel has been created, and this is the squeeze page URL, this is the thank you page URL. And you can share your funnels as well on multiple social media and messaging networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WordPress, Reddit, Pocket, emails, and also WhatsApp. And this is fully hosted for you, but if you wish to download the squeeze page and host it on your own URL, you can click on the download squeeze page here and download the thank you page, and you can upload these pages on a server and host it on your own domains. Let's get back to the dashboard, and in the dashboard you will see your campaign listed over here. So this is the URL for the squeeze page, and this is the URL for the thank you page, total views and the subscribers. Next, let's look into products. Here we have selected over 50 products which are the best converting products in each category for you to monetize in your thank you pages. Let's look into affiliate marketing. These are the products recommended in affiliate marketing. You can always view the products here and apply for the affiliate link. And once you have applied for your link and you get approved, you can drop your affiliate link here and click on the save button. So in the product center, we recommend more than 50 products for you to promote in every niche that is available in FunnelXpress, but at the same time we don't want to limit you to just these products. You can always add your own products here by clicking new product, give the product a name, a subtitle, the description. You can add a product image, you can select the category you want to assign this product to, and you can add your affiliate link here and submit, and then you're going to see the products available on this product center. So you can choose these products in your thank you pages. In the subscribers menu, you can see all the subscribers. You can sort them out by campaigns or funnels, and you can export out all your subscribers into an Excel file and use it on any autoresponder that you may have. On the email sequence, we give you access to email sequences or email swipes that you can use on any of these categories. For example, again, let's get into affiliate marketing, and here we give you access to 5 high quality, proven and fully customized email sequences for affiliate marketing. So the way we do this is we don't specifically create these email swipes for any specific product. We do this in a way that is fully customizable, is very flexible for you to use on any affiliate marketing products. And you can download all your emails over here. We also give you access to done for you banners or creatives that you can use to advertise your funnels on multiple advertising and blogging platforms. For example, let's go into fitness and weight loss, and here we give you 2 types of banners. So every banner comes with 10 different sizes that you can use on various advertising and blogging platforms. For example, this is the first banner size, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you can always download one by one, or you can download everything from the blue button here. Complete training videos are available here, and frequently asked questions and support is available here. And that's the full demo of FunnelXpress. Thank you for watching.